Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys my morning routine, as in how I start prepping my house for the day. So I'm going here starting off with our restroom after I pretty much just got a little ready in a more casual way, just to be relaxed throughout the day. We don't have any plans on going anywhere today. Kids are still on vacation. They actually return back tomorrow, which is a Tuesday because today is Monday. And yeah, so I'm just starting off by wiping off our bathroom sink, and then I also have to refill our toilet paper stand over here, so I'm just quickly adding a few rolls of toilet paper there.
El plato tiene un dueño, todo el mundo le da hambre a madres con hijos que no comerán. Como si esto.
Now moving on over here in my room, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the curtains to wake up the room. As you can tell, my room is very dark at nighttime, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off by just fixing our bed, stretching out the bed sheets and all of that. A couple of stuff I have to remove off of the side dressers, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing here. I also have to start a load of laundry, so you guys will see me head for the basket back inside our restroom, which our closet is located inside our bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope it gives you guys motivation, and we hope you guys clean along with me as well.
De Dios, pero tampoco culpa al diablo. Mucho lo que hago, pero poco lo que hablo de eso. Si cada año nos vamos en retroceso, cuando en la vida se le ha puesto más de un precio. Así es como me siento en estos momentos. Es un sentimiento que no puedo describir, solo lo sé sentir.
Now I'm here in my laundry room going to start a load of laundry. I think I'm probably going to end up doing 2 loads today, this basket and another one. It's actually only mine and my husband's clothes. I also have a laundry makeover that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on Wednesday's video. So you guys could just see a little sneak peek on here of the wall change color, since I did paint in here. But I didn't want to share much of our laundry room with you guys, so you guys could go ahead and watch that. So make sure you guys have the notification bell on, so YouTube notifies you guys every time I upload a video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Now that the laundry is already washing, I'm just going into the boys and my daughter's room, which is the kids/guest bathroom, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the sink and also wipe down around the toilet area. I just like to wipe down what is our sinks and our toilets on a daily basis. There's times I do the kids/guest bathroom twice a day, since it is a bathroom and it's mostly used a lot throughout the day. So I do like to keep it clean and a little more sanitized as possible as I can.
Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
So now I'm just quickly fixing up the kids' bath towels that are hanging here, since they did shower last night, and they just kind of just throw them on there however. And then I'm going to refill my little purple spray bottle so I could go ahead and mist a little bit this photos, I think it's called, plant that I have in our bathroom. I heard it loves this area in bathrooms, especially if it's misty in there, so that's why I also spray it, just so I know it has water. Then we're quickly moving into my living room. There's not much to do here in the living room, but I always open up my curtains, every curtain, window, everything in the house. So you saw me opening up the curtains. I quickly turned on the TV. Volume was a little more higher than what I'd expected it. And here I'm just folding Jayla's blanket from when she was lounging on the sofa last night after dinner. I also have to fluff up our pillows and just pick up a couple of stuff that are over here towards the sofa area.
You don't have to wake up yet.
Now moving on to the kitchen, my husband worked this day, so I did get up and put his lunch. We have not had breakfast. The kids are barely starting to wake up as I'm cleaning here. You can see my daughter, she just popped in here with some messy hair. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly start picking up from the mess I made from my husband's lunch. That's why you don't see much dishes here. And then after I finish cleaning all of this is when I start to do the kids' breakfast when they're home. For example, like weekends or vacation days, because if it was a school day, well, then there's times they do eat at the house and there's times that they eat at the school. So if they would have ate at the house, when I make my husband's lunch is when I prepare their breakfast so they could have it. And then we have like a whole lot more mess to clean afterwards.
Have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So once I'm done washing these dishes, which is pretty much already over, I just need to do the little topercito where I put our flour tortillas in. That one is empty already. I have to make more flour tortillas today. But yeah, then I'm going to go ahead and quickly start wiping off the counters.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is
Now the kitchen is done, so I'm going to quickly go into the dining room once again, starting off by opening up the blinds and the window to get that fresh breeze from outdoors in. Then I have to wipe down my coffee station. I spilled a little bit of sugar over there on the tray where I have my coffee stuff, so I had to quickly go ahead and clean that up and remove some stuff from the table as well. And then I'm also going to be wiping down the table. So yeah, this is pretty much just something I like to do to get my house started on a daily basis, especially on a Monday after a weekend and so on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so YouTube notifies you guys every time I upload a video. Like I mentioned, on Wednesday is gonna be my small laundry room makeover on a budget video for you guys, so I hope you guys go ahead and check out that video. Also, I am so excited and so in love with how our laundry room turned out. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.